This is SickBoySiege coming back at ya. This time I'm not alone. I got two other sickos, DJ Stu and the Bone Doctor. So first and second match didn't go too well, so I thought I'd bring him back up. Going back to Canal, let's do it. Hit it. Back to Canal, let's hit it. What's that? I already have that one, so. Oh, that's not what they called mine. Large penis. Anyway. Anyway. Alright, someone say ah when it's time. Alright, that means I'm Buck. Alright. That's how I've been picking the past 2 episodes of SickBoySiege. I did it. Over people that I wanted. Etc. Oh yeah. Let's show 'em who's dong. I mean wrong. Oh, it didn't send the second part. Let's show 'em who's dong. Alright, here we go.
Nicely done. The biohazard container has been located.
I just get really lost real fast. Is this? Oh, this is not. Okay, this is just a canal. Whoa! Died on the trash, of course. Oh yeah.
10 seconds to go.
Alright.
5 seconds.
Let's go. Let's go.
Lead to the biohazard container and secure it.
It's just good timing, as they say. Alright, where's the rest of the team? I don't. You guys aren't even by me. Oh wait, DJ Stu's not even in this game. I forgot. Just with the Tango Monty, the Bone Doctor. Alright. I haven't been on the roof. That's the building I'm on. Hey Valk. You little dummy head. She's got a shotgun, so I have a shotgun. Sometimes I feel like I'm sick and stuff. SickBoySiege. This is the siege part. SickBoySiege. Really just the siege part. There's a person over there. There's a person over there. I don't know what room's over there. I killed somebody! Oh! Hello everybody, it's me, a killer. Sick boy. Sick no more. I've been cured. All my disease fall away. SickBoySiege is on the way. Oh shoot, that's not a breach charge, that's a freaking grenade. Alright, I got this angle on him now. Alright.
Top 4 last stop standing.
Oh man, my cough is changing.
One friendly operator remaining.
Oh, I lost my drone.
Seconds left. 10 seconds remaining. Hostile activity neutralized.
Oh my god, are you kidding?
Been eliminated.
Man, sick boy did not take the money. That's all. Alright. I'm better at defending anyway. Too sick to be moving that fast. Alright. And 3, 2, 1. Someone say ah! Alright, I'm Castle. Let's go. I have Castle skin. Oh yes, fancy. Army. Love it, love it. Never gonna leave it. Does my sickness have fart symptoms?
Secure the room.
Yep. It does. Does indeed. Hey, what about this?
Op 4 located the biohazard container.
What about it? What does he want with it? You guys are weird. Blow that one out.
10 seconds to insertion. 5 seconds to insertion. Op 4 drone has located the biohazard container.
Yeah, you did. It's okay. It's always good. It's always okay. Alright. Go. We have enough shields for everybody. Got enough for everybody. Just gonna put this here while everything's happening. Gonna jump over, it's all good. No one needs to know. Holy God. I am the Lord! Made it through, only lost half my health in that process.
They've ceased attempting to secure the container. Stop the hostiles from securing the container.
Got one out this window.
Needle set.
Boyos went off,
Rethinking our perimeter.
man. I have a kill this time, so. Yeah, the menu screen takes it right there.
Laying out the welcome mat.
Whoa!
Got to reload.
Alright. Who shot? Try not to cough, you've got a cough. Going for the jump out.
You will be detected if you
Correct,
remain in
that
this
didn't
area.
work, guys.
Your
Where's a
location has been
window?
compromised.
To the
Op
wall.
4, last operator
So they get
standing.
inside the building. Alright.
Friendly's victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
I didn't need to do that much that round, I just kinda kept them out. Look at that. It used to be where Apollo Gym was. Not this time. In-game chat still broken. Alright, I'm spawning construction and I'm playing Blitz. Going for it. Yep, we're going for it. Mr. Mem. Apologym. Apologym. Give me your money. Let me grab a drink of this elixir of healing.
Find the biohazard
Asthma.
container location.
That's what I should be doing. Instead, I'm playing Siege with everybody. Asthma.
Good work. The biohazard container has been located.
It's like where people eat and it sounds good. Asthma. Oh! Asthma.
10 seconds before
I haven't sounded sick this.
insertion in 5. Biohazard container
Alright,
located.
I'm Blitz,
Seek
so that
its
means
location.
I'm the killer of this game. You look down really weird when you run now, I don't know if you noticed that. I have 13 flashes. Oh wow, I take a really long time to aim now. Nitrocell. I got one. Yeah. Alright.
Reach charges activated.
Someone up here. There's someone up here. I escaped. They have to come for me. They have to come for me. I will flee from here. Please help me. Tango Monte, I need your love. No, there's a person in there though. Help me. If she's gone, she's gone. Looks like she's downstairs. Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love. You're rocking away from me. I need your love. Need somebody.
One op 4 remains. Secure the room.
Oh,
Container.
thanks, guys. Really helped the boy out.
Resume securing the container once the threat is neutralized.
Oh, we won.
Op 4 eliminated.
I don't know. You just ooh, cutes. Let's go. You guys almost let me die. Like, oh, Jackal will get it, and he's like, oh, Thermite will get it. And look, now I'm at the bottom of the team. Thanks. A lot. I'm playing. Well, this is match point. I'm pulling out a shotgun. Match point. Mute. Big wins. Coming Sick Boy's way. Everybody wants to know who I am. But I am just a sick Boy, although my name's already been said this. Yeah, like 3 times. Sick boy is what I want to be called.
Barricade the room. We need to protect the biohazard container.
Alright, we should probably barricade that.
Explosive ordnance out and primed. EDD primed. Stand clear.
Whistling God Bless America. That's right.
Jammer activated.
It's also the anniversary of SickBoySiege.
10 seconds to insertion.
Explosive ordnance.
5 seconds. Biohazard container location unknown.
Because they need it.
Ready.
Alright, picking up this.
Let them guard perimeter.
Yep,
Device primed.
that's how it feels.
Activate jammer.
Putting on a show.
Initiate jammer.
Setting
I disrupted somebody. Yeah.
We've entered enemy controlled area. Leave now.
Did you see
Your
that?
location has been compromised.
Yeah, I walked out the door and shot somebody. It blew the wall and I just went out. That was beautiful. Wow, this guy's a ninja. Whoa. That's a ninja strat right there.
Divertiti.
What's that window? Did you see that head in the window? I don't know if that was actually a head in that window. I don't. All I know is that I have a disease.
Setting my plus
need
one.
a disease savior. Now stand in it. Stand in the alibi and like pretend to be. Oh yeah, you're right. Ooh, fire! Go sneak around to the left. Goyle's gone. That guy aimed real slow. He downed him.
Protect
Legion
the
downed the
biohazard
guy.
container. Stop the hostiles from securing the container. Op 4 securing the container. Protect the biohazard
Oh, you're going
container.
off right now. There's a whole
One
left
Op 4
field.
remaining.
Save Legion.
Further access.
Oh
Biohazard container. Intervene immediately. Friendly last
That was
operator
scary.
standing. Failed. All friendlies were eliminated.
Had it mapped. You were supposed to win that round. Now DJ Stu's left out. Overtime match point. This is it. Neil, who should I play? Say Wiki Wowie. Frost. You just say that and then I just pick a person. I should just pick random. Sometimes I do it by how many coughs I have. I hit my knee in the desk. That's what goldfish make. It's like the sound. If you're in the water with them,
Secure
that's
the
what you
room.
hear.
We need to protect the
Yeah,
biohazard
like
container.
they're like sick and they can't like tell you. They're just like.
Around.
You just kind of gotta feel it.
Setting up.
Ripples of the water. Having spots.
Op 4 drone located
Picking
the
up them
biohazard container.
arms. Putting up that force. Coughing out that cough.
Ten seconds left.
Oh my gosh.
5 seconds
I
left.
think my lungs just emptied out a hellish beast.
Protect the biohazard container at all costs.
Will Goyos blow up my frost trap? Go put this one in a weird spot.
Organ primed and ready. Razor wire deployed.
Deploying welcome mat.
Welcome. Fool. There's a lot of bad guys over there. Distract them or block them off for a second. Am I clear?
You are being hunted down.
That's how I do it.
Someone exposed you.
I've been tracked like 9 times now. Yeah, they did it that many times to me. I got somebody on accident.
Your identity has been compromised. You're exposed. Friendly, last
I got
operator
somebody
standing.
else too. Look at that. Sick boy, a second.
Op 4 is securing the biohazard
They got
container.
Bucky boy
Intervene
out there.
immediately. Biohazard container securing pods. Take out
All right,
the hostiles.
Goybo. Goybo the Floipster.
Protect the biohazard container.
What? Good
Op 4
job.
eliminated. Mission successful.
All right, that's it. Another full game in which I still got second to last, but I got more. I got kills this time, so yeah, we won. Booyah! There we go. Sick boy finally came out on top. Third time really is the job.